What the damn video again? I can take a picture. Oh, okay, we're doing a video then, I guess. This little chunk here, right there, right there. I cut that off this thing. Not because it was going to be ridiculously long or anything, but just because the eye beam that I use for the bottom runner there, that's how long they were. And I really don't want to splice them. So here's all one piece. See this one? That's the bottom it comes with normally. It's got the wood. Simulated wood floor, which actually comes out pretty good looking when do some detailing work. I can show you real quick. Something like that. One of Marvin's birds, I think. Always just brings dead animals too. Birds drop feathers. There's a joint right there. The two pieces that go together. That's at Lindbergh flatbeds. That's just one of the pieces. So I made a pup trailer for it. So that's the same kit as that Lindbergh trailer. So this one here, I actually put one more of those additions, or one more of those sections. So addition to it. It's not really that bad. It only comes out to like a 65, I think, or something feet long. 66, I don't know. Anyways, I'm thinking of doing, because I got a couple more of these trailers yet. Well, back up that bottom piece. If you don't glue these in, there's some little tabs. And that's why the holes are in that trailer. They're not pockets, but you can use them as chain pockets. But that kit makes a great flatbed. That box trailer that you just seen, or will see after this video, I think. I'll show you. Hobby Lobby. Anyways, I was gonna make a little bit longer one out of the one section. Like that, Something quite so short, but these are kind of short, so I don't know. That's the leftovers from this. And then I was going to show you this. That is not a bottle anymore. That was the front of an old semi. It's all rusted out in the field. It's actually upside down. That would be the top of the truck. You see it? I see it. I'm going to cut that right there. And I cut it there. It's going to be kind of weird, but it's not going to be come straight out. It's going to be coming out at an angle and then turn. And I think that's where they were in real life too. And this is how I held it down with a big piece of brass. Might mark it like that. But what I had done to mark it, I set it on here. I set it on here, and I line up